In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your mic sound better. This will work for Discord, OBS, and anything else you might be using on your PC. Start by getting the SteelSeries GG software if you don't already have it. I'll include a link in the description. Click the free download button, then wait for the installation file to download. Find the installation file, then double-click it to begin the installation process. Go through the steps to complete the installation process. Open SteelSeries GG once it has installed, and select the I don't have a SteelSeries account option. Then create an account. If you already have an account, then select I have a SteelSeries account and sign in. Turn off moments and keep Sonar enabled, then click the Let's Go button. Head to the side and select Sonar. Set the playback device to your headset or whatever you listen to audio with. Then set the input to your microphone and click Next. Click Next again, then select Game On. Go to the top menu and select Mic, then click OK. Click on the preset to open the preset menu. Now, you will want to choose the option that best suits your voice. Typically, the broadcast low pitch preset will work great for most people. However, I also like deep voice and less nasal. Click the cross to close the menu. If you want to hear what your microphone sounds like, then click the red record button in the top corner, talk for a few seconds, then stop the recording and click the play button to hear it. This will allow you to hear what different presets sound like with your voice. Once you've chosen your preset, head down to the Clear Cast AI noise cancellation option. Move the slider to about 43. If your voice is cutting in and out, then move the slider slightly to the left until the issue is fixed. And if there is too much background noise, then move it to the right slightly. Right-click on the speaker icon on your taskbar, then select Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Input Settings, then select your actual microphone. Set the input volume to 100, then go to the top and click on where it says Sound. Go back to the input options and click the circle next to the SteelSeries Sonar microphone option to make it your default microphone. Set the volume to 100% again, then open the application you want to use your microphone with. Open the audio settings. On Discord, you will need to go to the bottom and open the user settings, then select Voice and Video. Select the input device menu and choose either default or SteelSeries Sonar microphone. For Discord, you will want to turn off the Automatically Determine Input Sensitivity option and move the slider all the way to the left. This will prevent the Discord noise cancellation from interfering with Sonar. Your microphone will now sound better. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.